Hey crafty peeps, this is Tracy. I have another crafty haul for you today. I just got my first Black Friday order in, and not surprisingly, it's from the largest company I ordered from, which was OfficeSupply.com. Now, I tried to order everything from small shops, but I could not resist this deal, and you'll see why. Because I got the Spellbinders Better Press system for about $50 US. I believe this is the full kit, which comes with the platen, sample ink, little tape, plates, cardstock. I also picked up this really cute Mary foil and press plate from Hero Arts. I got a pack of replacement plates for my Spellbinders 6. 6 is the new one. And I got, let's see, a couple royal rolls of glitter foil because, like I said, everything was really great price. And I thought I might want some red for this in particular and for some holiday cards. And I also got black because I've seen a few designers using it and it looks really fabulous. So that was it, just a few things. I'm really excited to crack the letterpress open and use it though, so I'm sure you'll be seeing some letterpress cards from me soon. All right, thanks, and I will see you on the channel.